Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to see deleted message on WhatsApp application. Before we get started, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also hit the like button of this video. So let's get started. If I send a message on WhatsApp from my second phone to first phone and delete it for everyone, as you can see it gets deleted from both devices. Now if I try to view this message, as you can see I can't see it anymore. So let me show you how we can see this deleted message on our WhatsApp application. Okay, first of all go to the Play Store and search for Notice Save. Install this first one. After install this application, open it. Now click on Next and again click on Next. Then here tap on Allow. After that, from here enable notification access for this application and click on Allow. Now go back and again click on Allow. From here you can block notifications for a specific application. Enable it only for the apps you want to block notification. Okay. Now go back and tap on Next and go to battery saver. From here select no restriction. Then go back. Now enable the auto start option for this app. That's it. Now go back and tap on Next several times to finish the setup. Now if I send a message from my second phone to first phone and delete it again, from the first phone, if I open WhatsApp, as you can see I can't see this message, but at the same time if I open Notice Save application, you can see the deleted message is still visible here. So friends, this is how we can see our deleted message on our WhatsApp application. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also hit the like button of this video. Thanks for watching this video.